Here is the question. When last did you invite anyone into your church? I'm not talking about the verses. I'm not talking about telling that person about Jesus. I'm not talking about all the religion or religious thing or church related things. I'm talking about you inviting someone to a space where you believe is going to receive the word of God and be transformed spiritually. When was the last time you tell someone to just come? Invite that person. If he needs money for transport, give that person money for transport to come. If you've got a car, you go and fetch that person, wake him up, you wait for him to wash his or herself, and you take him into your car and you bring him into the church. Because believing that when you bring that person into the church, he's going to be transformed, he's going to be preached to, he's going to listen to the word of God, and who knows, he might receive Christ and be born again and be cleansed from his sins. When last did you invite someone into your church? When last did you invite someone into a space of change, a space of spiritual upliftment? When was the last time? When?